Hi, welcome to my living room. So it's just a lazy Sunday. My wife and kids have gone out and I'm left alone here with my dog. And I thought I'd just do a little intro to this video. So this video all started because I ordered a book online, which was sent to me from San Diego. I think that's where it originally came from, called Vancouver Island Railroads. And I was going through this book, looking at all the old pictures, and as I usually do, looking for spots to detect, when I came upon a picture here on page 42, I believe it is. So here on page 42, yep, right up here in the top panel, there's a little picture of a kind of, oops, sorry about that. Little picture of a kind of S-shaped trestle. I'll just move my camera up here, maybe get you a better look of that. And in that trestle, if you can see, get us in a little closer. I don't have zoom on this, so I gotta hold you there. Behind the trestle there, just in the woods, about mid-frame, there are little tents. And it says this trestle was completed in 1885, so there was a good chance that we could find some interesting things down there. But one mystery was that this trestle had been filled in 1911. So, or 1907, sorry. Because people were so afraid to ride it, or to ride the train across on it because of its shape. So, I made it my mission to find where that trestle was. And how I did that was by tracing the shape of the trestle along the section of the rail line that the book says that the trestle used to be in. And once I was able to find that, I did a quick hike up a side hill, quite a steep one, to make sure that that was the right spot. And sure enough, I found it. And a couple weeks later, I came back with Bob and Diamond Jordy, and we hunted it. It's just so much fun when you can look at an old picture and maybe look at something that other people have overlooked and go in and identify and find relics that those people that camped right in that little site behind that rail line left behind. This was a Chinese work camp. The Chinese people were the ones that built the rail lines way back in the late 1800s, 1880s. So that's the background, and I'll see you in the video.
Perfect 18 for me, yeah.
So Diamond Jordy just pulled our first coin out of this site here. The old railway camp. Location not to be disclosed. So we've been here for about half an hour just trying to figure out exactly where this camp was. And it looks like we have our first coin. We're hoping. Look, I think it's looking like a Chinese coin. Yeah. Oh, it's beautiful.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Look at that.
Beautiful.
What great condition.
Nice. Gotta love
wow. Look at that.
Good for you.
That's my second one of those. I found one of those up at Devon a long time ago.
Yeah.
Nice.
Very nice.
Right on, bro. Let me get a close up of that.
That's cool.
Yeah.
That made the burning and the just about dying getting here worth it.
Yep. You did it, man. So Diamond Jordy's got another one here. Looks like solid 15 on the Equinox. That's it?
So,
Looking for it again here.
here he is.
Yeah. There it is. Sure enough. Wow.
It's a different style, eh?
Yeah.
Looks thicker rim, different.
Look at that. Wow, dude. That's awesome. That is
I wonder what
awesome.
this corner was.
Look at that.
It's bigger.
Yeah. Nice. Look at that, too.
What you got?
He's got another one. Well, Bob just got this, which is super cool. Little tin.
Chinese writing.
Chinese writing on the front of it. I wonder if that's got to be... I wonder what that is.
Maybe it held cigarettes or...
Yeah.
Hard to say, eh?
That is cool. Nice.
Hey,
There's stuff here.
thanks for including me on the trip, gentlemen.
You are
I'm
welcome.
not looking forward to having my tongue cut out, but so far so good.
Yeah. So a little history about this place. Right across the way, that used to be a trestle, and they filled it in 1907. And they filled it in because it was too scary for people to ride on, so they would have walked down this little path right here. And right over across this little valley here, there's a creek down there. See it down there? The way up on this side, up here, there was a construction camp. I just got this guy. He was right down in that hole there, down here by the creek. I gotta go see Bob. He's pulling coins out of the ground right now. He's got a hot spot. All right, they're happening. Diamond Jordy snapped his, but yes. Fogging up my glasses. A lot of work up here. There's the first one for me. Beautiful. So Bob here has just found this little kind of flat zone here, and he's hunted these kind of places before, and he's just right out of the ground right here. That's what he's pulled out of there. 5 coins right in this little area right here.
Oh, another one over there. Jesus Christ.
They're coming up hot now. We're on them.
Very sweet.
Yeah. I just got another one out of Bob's hot spot. Another. Just pulled that fern out there. And there's another cash coin. Wow. We must have like 11 or 12 of them. Amazing. Nice. I just got one here. And where is it? There it is. Can you see it? Another cash coin. Wow. So Bob just went up the hill, and this is where he found, I guess, 8 of his. I found, I guess, 4 now. And oh, I thought that rock was one. But wow. amazing. So, just gonna have a bit of water here, but I thought I'd show you how I'm doing so far. It's been here for about 3 hours, and so far I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6, 8, 9 whole-ish coins, plus a whole bunch of fragments there, and a half one there, so that's beyond expectations. Mr. Bob's hunting over there, and it's all from his little spot that he let me come in and bottom feed off of after he'd already pulled 7 out of it, 7 out of there in about 10 minutes. So needless to say, having an amazing time here, and still got a couple hours, so we'll keep at it. So Bob's find. That case with the
there's
writing on it, and it's upside down. Oops.
I think I uncovered it there, maybe.
Yeah. Awesome. It's got 7 coins on this, or no, 8 coins.
Yeah, I found another one after I left you.
Nice. After he graciously gave up his crazy spot. There's an axe head, coin purse, Diamond Jordy, and then here's Diamond Jordy's.
Diamond Jordy. Is there a story behind that?
Oh yeah.
Not really.
Oh yeah.
Big balls can diamond.
And
Started calling me that.
Oh, really?
and those are mine right here. Wow.